I need make everybody open ear hear me. If you know say you be man where they beat woman for house, oga, I use God to beg you, stop am. Where you still get time, where time still there for you to stop am, biko stop it. And if you be woman where the house where your husband don't turn you to panebita, your husband a panebita, now you be the concom where then the panebit, and you they keep quiet. God will do it for me. God will heal him. Madam, you will die. In na bitch then going to kill you there if you no come out there quick. If then they beat you, because I beg you in the name of God, open your mouth and talk. An open mouth is an open destiny. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. They will kill you. My mother they talk say when then they tell ear no hear word, where then cut head they come out, ear go follow am go. A word is enough for the wise. I don't talk my own.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm gonna do good morning.
Good morning. Now, Robosman sent me your number. Apparently, you reached out to him because of your issue.
Did you think you say? My husband, first we say, you know they like to talk for anything concerning family, but if it comes to other people matter, he go carry on for head. If possible, say make you know itself. You go no, you know go eat, but make sure say he solve other people's problems, his own problem.
Yes.
You know they ready to solve it.
Yes.
I feel call him inside. I say, husband, okay, let's do this thing. I say, don't come out so many times. So yeah, let's be doing savings. If it's 500 naira a day, so that at the end of the year, anything we save, more use and do one thing. If not use a mode block for east, more do. If not use an open bowl, if I use and buy prepaid. You tell me say okay, you know what, later. That later the matter don't end. If anything I will think with the body, I'm still with the pain. I go there, I get 3 children, no house help, no help, nothing. I go to carry back for her the fresh water. I did house more than how many years? 4 years now, no light. I live in that mess. I live with touch and candle. And if somebody will say they do business, it's all this into water production, they do pure water again. Like they say their own company. In the job, and I thought all this be the same thing, you know, they say the same. What did they use the money do? Instead, if they come out in the morning, go drop 1,000, go drop 500, 700. Then this one, you know, they reach. You know, go reach me to do something I want to. You tell me, say, no more, manager, later, you go big, go give me. That later, the thing don't go. If I need something, if I tell them, give me money, you tell me, say, no more, later. But other people go come. Toilet. We need money. We never eat. You go carry give them. I don't plan and say, you don't get children. 3 children don't get down. You need to plan for these children's future. I did like this now. I'm gonna do. See for East, I don't get single room. So we say if I travel go East, I go enter.
Yes.
Say make I sleep. Now my papa house I they go. The last time I go for my family, I know the one of my uncle comes that they give me insults. Say, well, there, my husband, he don't get her. My family house, they don't get her. Say, I mean, over this time, I go use go my husband's house. That is an insult. I use the pain. Say, that time, the pain, see the inside of me. Anytime I go do something, that word, they tell me, go, they pay me. If my mama did like this, if I don't bring money, give her. She go say, I did on top of money, I know they eat her. I know they eat, I know they give her. If my mama call my husband, if I do maybe my children, daughter, if he poo for body, if I beat them, go call my mama, go call my family member, say, Pikin, poo for body, I beat them. Maybe all of them go call me, they go they para for me, they go they curse me. I don't know how to go beat them. I stay home, only me they do the whole work. Let me be say children go school. Let me go still go pick them. Let me go fetch water. Then the work is too much for me. So why not to help? You know they're ready to help. For the past 1 year and now, I did house. He turned me to housewife. And I do business. I'm into electronics and electrical business. Nothing inside electronics and electrical that I don't know. The shop where they to pay shop price, they be problem for it. They hard for them to pay. Landlord going, come on 180 before you go pay landlord go the lock shop, or go they beg landlord up and down.
And not be saying not get the money to pay them.
If they get the money, but where the money they go, I know they know. I don't call and say, if you get second wife, you tell me and settle me. I cannot be living all this life of pretense. Now, what can you do? See my husband, he said land, he said house for this Lagos. Okay, they have to tell me witness. He did not tell me about that house. You don't tell me, say you don't sell them. If I ask him, go tell me, say, he never sell them. Say, he never say anybody. No, he say, don't go sell them. Spend the money, finish. You say, only to say, send out 1.2. Okay, I don't even see 50,000 inside. Then I agree. Say, if he said the land, finish. If he said the house, where you don't sell them. Give me 500. Let me use it and invest in business instead of my shop. Market where people go they buy, where go they bring money out. He tell me, okay, you know what? You know, tell me, see the woman we buy and come, they give me report about my husband brother. We go lose the whole burglary where they inside carry and go sell.
Wow.
I tell I say which house? I tell I say me I don't know any house. He say that house where they for the house so play. I tell I say nah lie. Do my tell me she be like we could go lie. This my husband tell me say your husband not tell you. You want to say, and I know the woman. The woman is very close to us. Everybody for that vicinity knows saying that she buy her. And my husband saying for me, I don't know. I come back house. I keep quiet. I come back with that annoying and better. That house when I did better of this my touch. You know, give me couple to go and buy baby things. It's from that shop I used to go and buy baby things. If I give birth, if I do not bring money to pay hospital bill, he can never provide. You say you don't have money that I should bring later. You give that later. That will be end of it.
He not go send again.
He not go send them. If I raise voice, he go tell me say go send me go my papa house. Hey, make I go. I say too much. And I'm arrogant and selfish. I say let me be the arrogant, but I know what I'm fighting for. I know what I'm saying. The end of everything. That's why the talk will still come to pass.
Now, you and Nam don't sit down discuss this matter. You don't tell them your mind. You don't tell them how you feel.
Nedu, not be one, not be two, not be three, not be four. Even with the rest 10, he may push me to take my life because of a lifestyle. I live a life. Like I don't understand. You're making me live a life of a widow. A life of someone that don't have from anywhere. All because of you. My family turned against me. None of the family members pick my cause because of him.
It's okay, madam. Calm down.
I feel rejected. I feel like taking my life.
No, don't. Madam, it never reach like that now. It never reach like that. It never reach that level. Calm down. It never reach like that.
Me carry debt. And they hold debt of more than 100 and something thousand for my head.
And not be saying he not get the money to give you to pay for him.
You go tell me later. Even if you give me small money, that go don't pay this money. He get important for Alaba and he do more than they supply me. I owe the man money. At the time I called the man, explain the man everything what they do for my marriage. Now then I make me no pay your money. Me no be like that. I be I'm a stubborn wife and I be arrogant person, but I can never be a thief and I can never lie. If I talk to him, I go do prostitution, they take care of the children.
Oh, he say make you go to do prostitution.
They take care of the children.
Oh, wow.
I don't call him many times. Anything I talk to you, do it. It will work for you, no. I'm a prophetess. I see anything that you did not see. So now government did his junior brother during October. Now, me and my children who cannot go to that village, they are looking for everybody in that family. Okay, now don't tell us, see tenants people for shop. Tenants now the old rate of 3 years go make us 3 good years. You know, go to stop about the money. And those tenants no one pay. I don't call us. They see people that are not ready to pay. Send them. They should go and look for another shop elsewhere. Put another person there, or let me stay there and be selling these provisions, wholesale and retail. I know that I will not be paying shop rent. Anything I sell from there, you know, it will be only NEPA money and small expenses. It will make us to start our life afresh. Our landlord increases our rent from 180 to 300,000. I told her, say this 300,000 is too much. We cannot be able to pay. Look at the way market is going up every day. Oh yeah, instead let's pack our things. Let me go to that shop. Since we have two shops, one tenant is there, the other one that is not tenant. Let me use the second one.
They make you use the other second one.
Let me enter into the whole set. Beep.
Hello?
I believe it to sell.
Yes.
And they don't reveal to me how many times after that thing I pray. That provision I can direct me. In the revelation, I see myself selling soap, selling biscuits, and people are coming to buy.
Oh, wow. How many, say, as this woman, they talk this thing. I said, at this woman, they talk, they complain all this thing where she they go through. I just imagine how many women they go through this kind of thing. How many women will be saying that their life be this every day? How many women? I imagine how it take be when it be say if you go, because the truth is, go some houses. Now women be like the men waiting for the house. The men just dey there. You go think say, in fact now, according to my mother, they call those kind men or kamanilo. Not only outside and then they take know them as big men. Meanwhile, for their own house, their own children, they suffer. Their own family, they suffer. No, it's to be man, not be only to get machine gun, no. To get a biabia, get machine gun. Women too get a biabia, only say they not get machine gun. Some men will get machine gun, now women them be. What thing go happen be say I will go small chicken break and Moku enter market, come back. Once you come back, I'll call the woman again. Then after calling her again, then I will call the husband. Moku talk to her. Moku know how to take for go follow this matter, where they come from and how to take for. See how fit use take a settle them. Not go anywhere. Will they come back?
I don't wanna waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. No, no. I don't wanna waste no vibe. I don't wanna waste no vibe. No, no. Come on, come on, come on. Let's make night, girl. Come on, come on, come on. Early morning we say goodbye. I will treat you better than any other. Girl, I promise I will be faster. My healer, girl, you're my healer. Let me do that. I just wanna hold you till you don't know. Baby, let me you till you don't know. No. I just wanna hold you till you don't know. Baby, let me you till you don't know. Remind me of. You remind me of Annabella. Didn't worry by Nabucha. She says me when I. She said when I. Girl, you're like dinner. You're my favorite kind of dinner. Favorite kind of dinner. I will treat you better than any other. Girl, I promise I will be faster. My healer, girl, you're my healer. Let me do that. I just wanna hold you till you don't know. Baby, let me hold you till you don't know. No, I just wanna hold you till you don't know. Baby, let me hold you till you don't know.
I beg, increase the volume of that your radio.
Now,
95.1 Wazobia FM.
Chook mouth.
Okay, wait. I say no touch that time.
Make you no touch.
Make we sharply enter market. We dey come back.
Make you no touch.
guy, if I see 10K a wolf like this, holiday chillings don't settle.
On top 10K?
See you with that 10K, I go get router with up to 240 gigabyte extra in the Airtel all-time mega offer.
You don't mean it.
For real, even with 5K, you'll get a MiFi with up to 125 gigabyte extra. But you have to hurry while offer lasts.
Mean everyone can own a device this season.
You get it.
Airtel, the smartphone network.
So that's how we go to the restaurant too. And it was amazing.
Babes, are you okay?
Sore throat?
It's often caused by bacteria and viruses. It feels like you're having a party in your throat. You need Strepsils. It soothes the pain, plus it fights the germs with 2 germ-killing actives. Dual antibacterial action in 1 lozenge.
As I was saying, it was amazing.
Bye-bye sore throat. Take Strepsils. If symptoms persist after 3 days, please consult a doctor.
You know that feeling. It's hard to explain, but you've had it before. It's that feeling when you back your team and they lift the trophy. It's that feeling when you celebrate along with your country. It's that feeling when your team scores a goal or makes an impossible save. It's that feeling you get when you bet on a game at AFCON and stand to win 1 of 3 cars plus your share of over 100 million naira in daily prizes. Play now, online or in our shops until 6 February. That feeling, that's BetKing. Play responsibly, no under 18s.
Our friend Oliver is what you call a man with a huge appetite. Gigantic, actually. And if there's one phrase we have come to know Oliver for, it is this.
More data, please.
No matter what we offer him.
More data, please.
So, guess what we did? We heard Glow created new data plans for people like Oliver, and we got him exactly that. And guess what Oliver said?
Excuse me, please, is this all for me? Only me?
Now, Oliver certainly has more than enough data. All thanks to the Glow Mega Data Plans.
With the longer validity you get on Glow Mega Data Plans, you can work from home with ease, run your business better, download non-stop, stream music and movies endlessly, learn online, and share data with anyone. No worries. Get 225 gigabytes at 30,000 naira for 30 days, 425 gigabytes at 50,000 naira for 90 days, and 1 terabyte at 100,000 naira for a year. Dial star 777 hash now to start enjoying these mega plans.
Glow Unlimited.
I love my Indomie. Me, I want to be a millionaire. And with my Indomie, I will win. With I love my Indomie promo. So come let us win with I love my Indomie.
That's right, 100 million naira is up for grabs in the all-new I Love My Indomie promo. All you have to do is buy an I Love My Indomie promo pack. Then look inside the pack for a unique letter. Collect all 14 letters till you can spell I Love My Indomie. Send a picture of your collection to our WhatsApp number 0807 700 9000 and win 100,000 naira instantly. Everyone's got a chance to win big. So hurry and grab your I Love My Indomie promo pack now. Offer valid while stock lasts. Terms and conditions apply. Indomie noodles, tasty nutrition, good for you.
I love my Indomie.
Jarabes, Najara all the way. Oh yeah, move that one there now. Not for that, you know.
Mama Testament. This one you dey move things up and down. You don't open shop inside your house.
Hey! Now hire Tamaku season bonanza promo with their correct instant and wolf gift oh. Yes oh. For any higher Tamaku refrigerator, chest freezer, standing cooker, washing machine, you go collect one-time gifts like electric kettle, microwave oven, Mamado vegetable oil, and smoothie maker. And if no generator you come buy, you call now engine oil sharp them go summer you.
Talk true.
Yes, so waka go any Tamoku showroom or selected outlet near you. Make we saba you better jara. This promo na from December 13, 2021, reach January 29, 2022. For more tori, waka go www.tamoku.com.ng. Offer day while stock still remain. Terms and conditions dey. Thermocool, always there for you.
Welcome back, everybody. Every minute and hour, let's groovy. Oh, yeah, say to Wazobia, everything you dey do, we go go. Welcome back to Wazobia FM. Wazobia FM. I say welcome back to Wazobia FM. Hey. Wazobia FM.
Wazobia FM funny die.
Now Wazobia FM they allow us to come out for radio pass.
Me, I just love the good vibe where Wazobia FM they give.
Now only one station where they big enough to give una plenty room to chook mouth.
And now the number 1 chook mouth station, 95.1 Wazobia FM.
All right, so welcome back to our backyard. Welcome back to our backyard. Make we go back to phone line to discuss with the woman. Make we finish with her, then enter the husband. So, madam, sorry, the line being. Come out for your radio now. Come out for your radio. Okay, so finally, so tell me, Where your husband is so now?
He don't go working place.
And he sleep on a house yesterday.
He sleep.
And una two talk about the matter.
Organic now, my this one be say I know the good nothing join me and those day on my own, on your own.
Now what
now since on Tuesday now they walk up and down they look for where work. Any type of work, I don't mind.
So
like
what
yesterday na soap, I go hawk soap. All these sachet soap, I go hawk and this morning now I won't go find. If they go get my tariff now 2 carton, I go hawk.
So what you want to do now? You not just want anything with the guy again. Now what you want to do with that?
Organic, do me I do like this. I don't tell her say my mind is no more here again. Nothing that is giving me the joy to stay. Nothing is giving me the joy. I just feel rejected.
Make I call him.
Now, in the threaten me, say instead I go meet the shop people there for the shop. Go meet the husband and wife. Tell them say okay, I come meet you for shop rent. When I want pay, let's discuss. They say make I go, make I no worry. Later. I said they say I don't want later. Now this later they use keep the money till now. Yes, I arrange everything now. The husband just come out to go meet my husband inside a working place. Go they report me. My husband to come me to order. You should come me to order. I go come they ask some money. That one come me start to the I feel like explain. Since they don't want to say make I go meet them. As you as a man don't want to take drastic decision about it. Let me do the work as a man for you. I say start to the raise for me and the get misunderstanding that day. We don't quarrel for ourselves. That's when I said, we are there, came out to talk. But something going to happen inside for you, inside your family, you no go stand up. Talk. They say, my papa built house before he died. Say, my papa keep any property before I come the drag of property. Say, my papa property. I don't even know my papa property. It's my husband. From anything that belongs to my husband belongs to me. I cannot keep quiet and sit down to look on other people to.
Where you from? Where your husband from?
Me, I'm from Imo State. I'm from Olu. Him too from Imo State, from Olu. I'm from Omuma.
Okay.
From the Hope Uzodema, me and Hope Uzodema from the same place you from come. Now the same market, the same church, and Hope, but Governor Hope Uzodema they go.
So how many children I don't get?
I don't get 3 children.
Okay. So you want make I talk to Ram? You want make I talk to Ram? I be no need for me to talk to Ram.
Yesterday I go meet him brother. We go make them they think normal. He's not thinking about his future. Only thing that once any money enter in hand, you spend it.
Okay.
Others landlord, their tenants no go pay money. Now they go carry the matter, go meet Oyabo go control their load outside.
Oh, other people in own where they no go pay. Now ain't go carry am for head. Meanwhile, in own where they no they pay, you know they do them anything.
At all.
Okay.
Only thing where they after now, only thing I do, only action where I take. I get hot temper. I know the last person to cheat me, and I can never cheat somebody. If person they cheat me, they break
now,
my heart, they make me take action.
I want to ask you one question. This thing will make and they behave this way. How long gonna they married for?
We're only married for like 7 years now.
Now, this thing will make them do all these things. Now, so it takes now since when you marry him now, so in don't day, I be now all of a sudden he begin act like this.
As of initial stage, I'm like before like 6 months when after the marriage.
Yes.
So because of his sisters, he can't talk. One day that he say he beat me, I faint. I say he can't come the phone with that year, I can't come back again. Anything where people tell and say, the wife do this thing, all this thing where he go take.
Oh, they beat you. In they beat you join.
Yes, that's only once. Since that once they beat me, what I faint. The man never touch me. Instead, they go to rush come to beat me. People there, they'll call the whole lamp. And first, I mean, they even fight them and they use bottle self. You don't start to the shot to me. And they use bottle and knife, they chase and come out.
You self, now you be way they use bottle and knife, chase and come out.
It's better I don't say I would respect you can't turn me to Mumu. You won't turn me to Mumu and I cannot. I'm a hustler. I don't want to say, collect the rest from that, give me, let me go and carry bail. Go to Grodu garage and be selling. You say, no worry, later. Till now.
Okay. Make I talk to Ram.
You know one day, I need to hustle. I need to fight to meet up. That house will never beat for village. They break my heart.
Nah.
I don't get work. I don't get work for house. I don't get life for more than 4 years. I live in that mess.
Leave village house first of all. Leave village house first of all. Right now, what you suppose they think of now? Now you where you day now, how comfortable you day, whether you dey eat, whether your children they go school, whether they go school. Village house, village any place, any way person day now where you day. Leave all this village house stock. That one for
Even
now.
school
My
fees.
extra.
School fees. If I know you since when me and I don't they marry, only last year and this year, last year, and I go tell you say you don't give me small money for school fees. I pay school fees.
All right, make I call him. Then if need be, I will call you back. Okay?
And now here that me and I go to the house. He's not ready to even make love to him, to me as a wife. If I meet, I go tell him say they tired, they tired. Not sit down, they see me and they make love with us men. Two of them they making love with me and I don't like it.
Wait, I don't understand. Say, wait, I don't understand. Is all that men do waiting?
I did it for see other people they make love with me.
Oh, you did there for dream. Other men they make love to you.
Yes.
Hey, whoa.
And physically he's not doing it.
So you the one way the relationship where you get for dream now because of say your husband not they give you I been waiting that one just they happen. I've been at the thinking I've been because say you think about them too much you want them you not can't get them you can't go dream one boy can't give you there.
Yes, I can do. I don't call and say if it's stress reduce the stress. He go tell me say for where
you
sure no work.
Now,
for more than how many months now? Nothing don't happen between me and them.
Hey.
I'm not gonna say if you're not ready in this, I'm not more interested in it. Tell me, let me go. What is keeping me here? Nothing. I don't feel wear better clothes as my mates, then come outside. I don't feel wear better slippers, come outside. I don't feel make better. As when they talk like this, I just carry hair where I don't lose. I don't feel get if I don't supposed to get money, do hair, I don't go there. At times I dey go collect it on credit. Later I'll give the person. Want me to look good. May not be like say now my own was pass. December hair, what I do? Now credit I go do the hair. Now later I give the girl 1,000. Okay, since you helped me do it, thank you.
Yes.
I'm gonna be like say December, I just sit down. Even clothes what I buy December and purse what I buy. See now I'm gonna do. I never pay the woman money.
Wow.
The woman says she understands. Say if her money in my hand, she knows say I dey give her. That make the woman no bother me. Since
Okay.
December till now.
Make I call you back, Make I call you back, Just give me some minutes. I will call you back. Make I try talk to her. Make I hear what he get to talk. What be own problem. What he in the think. What he in the miss.
He go tell you say I'm a stubborn one. I'm arrogant.
But you say if you say whether you go tell me say you be stubborn wife. The way you dey talk, say if you be like person we be agbero, I not go.
Okay, now what's in Vietnam? If I keep quiet, that man will just useless my life. You don't make me. I know.
So you know they keep quiet for him. You they give am hot.
Okay, I know they keep quiet too. If I keep quiet. By now, I don't know.
You sure say not you sure say not be the not keeping quiet way they do. Now make am not even send you.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
You sure say if you not sure say if you change turn away from your agbero ways, be a sweet Cinderella. Whether you go do what you supposed to do. You never think
I see the same thing. I don't try all this. I see the same thing.
Okay. Oh yeah, now make I try talk to her.
Now I dey find way to just come out for you. If I say I go see carry my children and go, I will just leave him, make him live in life the way he wants. My husband does not have savings. From year to year, he no get savings.
You know what's going to happen there? Just calm down first of all and make your blood never too hot. Just calm down small. Make I call him and then I will call you back, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All right, make we call the husband. Make we hear from him whether hopefully he no go get spiritual wife. Where him they go meet. Hell, he get. Oh Jesus is Lord. Funny enough, as we dey here they talk on top, our backyard. Different people they send me message. Oh, okay, they do. I say na so they in own bio. This woman they talk na so exactly how in own take be. How una take the enter this kind of marriage? Una know they know the person who una they marry. Okay. And madam self, you self you go need to calm down. Eh? Hello, Oga.
From Imo State. Hello.
Oh, Gami, how far now?
Ade.
My name is Nedu. They call you from Wazobia FM.
From where?
From Wazobia FM.
I hear you, my brother.
Now, I just talked to your wife. Finish now. My your wife talk plenty things. Yeah. The thing full basket. Talk of full basket. But you know how we do them on top of our backyard. We know they like to hear from one side. You go hear from this side, hear from this side, so that if you want to settle the matter, you go know how you go take settle. If na matter we go fit it settle, if matter we no go fit it settle, then you understand what I'm saying? Now I say make I call you. Your wife talk plenty things about you not taking care of things we're supposed to take care of. For instance, example. A shop where you get, you agree collect rent. He don't tell you say make you give her money, make you collect rent, make you give her the money, make she carry the do the business. Say you not agree. House for village, say nothing there. I tell her say okay, I'm gonna for now leave house for village. And then here one he say different things about to school. In they pay school fees sometimes for children, sometimes Christmas cloth. They fit buy some things she they owe. Different things. He even reach Turkey side. The chopping of Turkey doing mommy and daddy for night. He say you not agree give him sugar cane for night. So then a spiritual husband they give him for inside dream. Different things. Now I say make I call you. Waiting be the problem. Where the problem start from?
Hello.
Hey, Ogama, they hear you.
For example, if you look at somebody that will open mouth and be saying all these things, you know that it's not normal.
Okay.
It's not normal because something. I'm coming, meet you. Something is wrong with her. I'm a person, a well-known person. She cannot pay. I'm coming, ma. She cannot pay school fees when I'm still alive. Okay. What she's doing for a living, I left a shop for her. Electronic shop, which she messed it up. It is recently, she's marketing there. I used to take my own personal money and pay the shop rent.
Okay.
It is recently, like she say, it is not going. I just shut it down.
Okay.
I keep somebody in my house, in one of my house. He's a tenant. They pleaded with me that I should exercise patience. As so time they will tell me, will I keep them? They never refused. They never said they will not pay. And their own is today, tomorrow, all this kind of things. What I don't want in life. I am too big. I am too mature to advise myself. People have problem, they call me, I will go and settle their problem. Then who do I call to come and
settle
judge matters
your
for
own
me?
Problem?
Who do I call to come and judge matters for me? When I go out there, they know me as a prince. I settle matter. I calm people down. She's not hungry. She does not lack anything. She lives in her own house. What is her problem? Me, I am praying over it. I am working towards it, see what I can do. Because as you say, something is manipulating her.
It's not the normal.
If you look at the steps she just take now, you see that she's not okay.
No, now not me.
I will send you a message. I will after this thing now. I will send you a message. Even if not, beside I get hurt, I will not go my house because she even after her message she finalized with RIP.
I don't understand.
Let me call you back. Let me answer one mama. Okay. All right. Continue.
I don't understand. You say she finalized you with RIP. I don't understand.
I will send it to you. That if anything should happen to her, her blood is on my head, and she will make sure she suffer me. The end is RIP.
Waiting lead to that.
That because she said people that I stay in the shop, they should quit on Friday. And I only told her, say, just exercise patience. They said ending of this month. If they did not pay ending of the month, just allow me then see what I can be able to do. But as long as they have promised, don't embarrass them, don't harass them.
Yes.
Don't disgrace them on the street because they are owing.
Yes.
They are human beings. Nobody has not owned before.
No be lying.
So me, my own, yes, I wish I will see you one-on-one. You know that I'm not that kind of person that somebody will be reporting for such manners.
Waiting be the thing where you feel say, okay, if this thing happen, issue everything go dey okay for house. This matter of say give her money for business, because the few basic things we she talk, giving her money for business. She in a hustler. Give her money for business, make she go the run her business. In fact, say right now as we dey talk now, say she want go meet person, we go give her soap, make she go they do carry for soap, they do hawking for soap to sell soap.
If she feel say I am the best to hawk, make she go and hawk and disgrace herself, because I will give you her mother's and family number. They will tell you more about her. I have tolerated her enough. I'm just doing things so that people will not see me as unreasonable person, somebody we hope onto, somebody we are looking onto. He cannot be able to even do something well in his own place. That is why I've been accommodating her. Not to say, if you can talk to the mother by yourself, if you want, I will send you.
Text me the mama number. Text me the mama number.
I will send you the uncle's number and the brother's number so that you can talk to them. They will tell you.
Text their numbers to me, I beg. Text their numbers to me.
If I get back to my place now, I will text it to you.
Oh, yeah. Ma leave you now. Make you go back to your place. Then text me the number. Then I will come back. I'll call you back immediately. Okay?
All right.
Thank you. Waiting. I've been. I don't even know what I want to talk again. I'm not gonna lie, give you, I don't know what I want to talk again. The thing don't hook me from out. It don't hook me from out. Hello?
Hello, Nedu.
I just talked to your husband now.
Yeah.
You see, if I tell you what's in my mind, you feel not like calm. But the truth is, your husband once sent me your mother number, your brother number, make I talk to them, because if I talk to them, I go feel get angle of where the whole thing they come from. In fact, talking to your husband and talking to you also, I understand one or two things where I could tell you when I come back. You know, so I mentioned to you, say make you calm down. May you calm down. And you self talk and say you self na agburu na you na you know they keep quiet, you they enter your head. First of all, I need you to settle down. No matter which guard you get, drop your guard down and listen to me. Make me and you talk this talk. No, talk to me as if say you don't know anything where they go on. Just be open, be 100% open. No. Now
we are live on radio, right?
Yes, you are. Be open with me. Now, madam, I'll be honest with you. From the things where they see, me and you need to talk right now and clear off the air.
Yes.
From the conversation with me and you don't get.
Yeah.
I stand corrected because I never talked to your mother. I never talk to your brother.
Yes, sir.
And from the things where you tell me on your own, the kind of person where you talk, say you be on your own.
Yes.
And the kind of person where your husband tell me, say, oh, your husband not even talk anything. He never even tell me, say you do anything. He just tell me, say, organic do the, he just tell me, say, he not the natural or according to how we put the talk. Listen. You see. Listen. No, try to listen to me. I know what make it be like say with the banter. Just listen to me. Then I go allow you talk. See, rather he say take the mother number, call the mother, call the brother. You get any issue with your parents?
My dad is late.
I know your dad is late. You get any issue with your mother?
My mother be say something will happen. At least you go hear from the truthful side.
Who be the truthful side? Your own side?
Two sides. Like
okay, from the two side. Okay.
If my husband call her now, explain something to her. Now that time my husband talk, now she dey believe. You know they won't believe waiting me I dey talk. Instead she will come, she no go say to calm down, make her even explain things to her.
You know what?
She will start to after she will come down, make her explain everything to her. She will just take down my husband and come in. That's what will be for me.
Make I tell you something, eh? Make I explain something to you.
Yeah.
You not get any man we won't get a second mother as wife for your house. By second mother, I mean person we go direct them around, do this, do that, do this, do that. No. Men like to be in control of things. No man like make the wife tell and say, oh yeah, sit down here. Oh, go meet that person. Tell them, say, make them give you rent. You can only suggest. Don't impose. But from the way you they talk, it be like say you they impose them on the guy. According to the discussion I get with the guy now, the guy tell me, the husband tell me, say, he don't tell you, say, he don't true, and he not deny, say, then they're not the owe money. He said that they owe money. He said no, but he said everybody they owe money. He said, but they don't tell them, say, by the end of this month then go pay. In now don't talk, say, if by the end of this month they not pay, then no problem. Anything will go fit happen, make it happen. But make you leave them till the end of this month. Now waiting then talk.
He no come and tell me anything like that.
Madam, wait. Two people not decrease at the same time. Two people not the if as you dey two captain not the day for both. Sometime you go know. Sometimes your husband go hold something, maybe hold one cloth. You know say that thing na black, but your husband go tell you say na white. But because of say you don't want issue, you go pretend say na white. Even though you know say na black. Sometimes you have to stoop low to conquer. Sometimes you go pretend as if say you don't know, make peace for day. But this one be say I go talk one, you go feel the need to reply me. Bah, you don't reply me. Not be so it's supposed to be sometimes. Me, I feel personally, so you need to calm down. I feel so you need to put your head down. Be wife to your husband, not be my G with your husband. I don't know whether you get what I try talk. You do understand me? Hello? Hey, I'll cut one. I be want to talk something now. Thank God say I not talk that thing. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
What I try to tell you now, say, I beg, calm down. You not get any ship way to captain day. Where the move go forward. It's not possible. You have to be supporting to your husband. Not be your husband go to support you. Not be husband go to hear you. Your husband go hear you. You go feel advice your husband and he go listen to you. But not impose anything on them. Make sure now they work together as one. Nobody say you go they push and do this one. No. You self talk and say you did very, very stubborn on your own. Madam, you see that thing where you talk? Thank God say use your mouth to talk. Drop him down. Drop him. You see that your shoulder, because as I the flow talk so now, I they visualize you. Your shoulder where they up, madam, drop him down. Try. I beg, listen to me. Listen very carefully, Madam Biko.
I listen to you.
Try do them differently. Calm down. Be submissive and listening to your husband. Now, I tell him, say you talk, say you won't go hawk soup. Now shame to ram. As I talk him. But he not, madam, calm down, no laugh. I'm serious. The way he take answer me, it felt like an embarrassment for him. Madam, calm down. If possible, when your husband come back today, sit him down, make una talk. Listen to me. Oh, Jineke, me bere wanya. Hey!
You got the lock on.
Listen to me. Sit him down, Biko. Tell him, say, make he tell you everything where you did do it in no like. Make say you go keep I beg, keep quiet as he they tell you, not talk. Just me if you feel buy sellotape your mouth.
I guess for us.
Make him tell you everything where you they do where he not like. Man, it dey take for man to talk. Man, they internalize plenty things. They not go talk and then go just IADA. According to my father say, oh, the okay, and boy D because he the way that is. I don't know how I take explain them, but he go endure. He not go talk. But please today, sit him down. Say, Madam Ogam Biko. Tell me everything where you they do where he not like. Make him list them down. Even the one where you they do correctly. If he say you do wrong, not talk. Listen to everything. Then ask him say, what in be the thing where Ingo like make you they do. But not be to fool yourself or not be to embarrass you as a person.
Okay.
You understand? But now make peace for day for house. Make happiness for day. You understand me? You go do this in what I tell you. You oh madam.
I go do this way you tell me, but
no but. Madam Biko, no but.
Okay.
You go do am or not?
I go do am.
I go call you for evening, no. I will call you. Can go again now. I will call your husband. I go tell him say if you do am make him call me. If you not do am make him call me. And I beg, madam, not talk. Watch how things go take change. Two captain not a day for boat. Make you be assistant captain. Make your husband be main captain. Allow him to be main captain. Do this thing first of all. Ask her, say, what be the things where you do where he not like? Keep quiet and listen. Then come ask him, say, okay, what be the things where he go like make you do where go make him happy? Then listen attentively. Then try do those things. Marry two of them together. Your own, in own. Do them together, make peace for your house. You go do them, Abi? You go do them?
Yes.
You dey talk for the whole radio, the whole world they hear you. You go do them?
I say yes, I go do them.
I go talk to you later for evening. If any need be, I go see call you back, okay? God bless you. Thank you. I just talked to the woman, finish on her hair. Then, as we dey market, I call the husband for phone. I call him for phone. Because I notice, say, the man no be person they like talk too much. And true, exactly now what he use the mouth take talk. He say, in no one talks on kind things. Because of the respect he get for himself, in family, and this in wife. Say, in no one talks on kind thing on air. He tell me some kind things where I not fit even talk. Madam, I know say you did hear me. See this thing what I tell you may you do this evening. I beg do am. Your husband go call me if you do am. Your husband go call me if you not do am. I don't save your phone number. I don't save her own your husband two phone number. I save your own phone number as well. On top WhatsApp, this one say, Nedu, the woman should come down from her high horse before it's too late. Now I think Cosmas talk from Germany. That woman to get hot temper just like my madam for house. Good morning, Nedu. That woman say she be prophetess, but she don't know say her spiritual husband they worry her. She needs better deliverance. Now waiting Africa 1 from Ikoyi. They talk. Say please that woman should come down for better life. Now waiting this person talk. This one say Nedu, good morning. Please. Are we looking at the spiritual angle of this? She says she's always having intercourse with other men in the dream. Now, this is a case of she having spiritual husband. Let her look for a good man of God for deliverance. Even if she leave this present husband to another, the same thing will happen. Prophet Morgan from Ejibo. Now you talk this one. Madam, you hear your prophet mate. Now you talk this one. So this one say, I love the way people address matter, even in marriage. My wife, they do the same attitude, always want to be in charge. Now, what's in the man talk? Say the woman, they always want control everything we're in, they do. Hello, Woody on the phone line. Welcome to our backyard.
Hello, good morning, Wazobia.
Good morning, my brother.
Yes. Make it that woman, what you tell her, make it just do am, because you want the rush, but this life, now, yes. After rain is a good season.
Yes.
But like everybody don't hear what he tell us and make it come down. But if you don't do am, now if like a stubborn woman will be that.
Yes.
Make it just come, just understand everything. Now, no be just rush. If you say the suffer, that thing will come up for house, won't go do anyhow, and they will see fit challenge more. Now it's already suffer, all the suffer finish for house.
Okay.
But make it just get something to do on, but everything just set to normal with that.
All right, thank you. Okay, there's something seriously wrong in that house. You didn't ask the husband why he not a touching wife. You will ask me that question. Madam, you will ask me that question. As a man, I go tell you something. Man will not dey emotionally at peace with the person we in day with. He not go fit get any emotional direct. I don't know how I take I talk now. If person not there, if you not there emotionally okay with somebody, he not get how your machine gun go even raise any beat to say you want to do something. Mba, it will not. Now happiness they make machine gun rise. Oh, see what? Hello, we on the phone line. Welcome to our backyard.
Hello, Nedu. Good morning.
Good morning, my brother. Who they talk?
Nah, David, they talk.
Talk to us. We hear you.
I gotta do.
Yes.
You know, say I listened to that woman.
Yes.
From beginning to the end of her story.
Yes.
And I listened to the man himself.
Yes.
Now, if you look at the two of them, the way two of them they talk.
Yes.
Me, one thing I find out about say, you know what they worry that woman, like you tell them before. Now, as I do, no go fit do anything. We are not like, or the one where I no talk.
Yes.
Or now waiting I talk.
Yes.
Now waiting I want to be that.
Yes.
And another thing be say, you see that you tell you now say, they make love for dream.
Yes.
The truth of the matter is that if any person will get spiritual husband,
yes,
or spiritual wife,
yes,
your physical husband is in trouble. Because that spiritual husband when you get,
yes,
there's nothing where you go do physically when it would affect you. I can tell you that from experience because my sister was suffering such thing until when she come to herself and went for deliverance, and that is stop. So in fact, in a way, it could affect her character and everything. Maybe she might do. I'm going to think say, you know what you need to do, but she don't know what she do. Until when she come to herself and say, this is what they do, no, they normal. If that spiritual husband will get no stop, or she no stop, that go problem go see the day. If you see the way the man take talk, you go know say the man himself don't even tire.
Yes.
If they talk like person will be say, I don't do everything within my power to make sure say this woman they happy, and everything about them they happy for their marriage. Yet you need to work. That's why you say I go send you your mother number, your sister number, your uncle number, and all this one number. Make you just call and do everything because the man don't do everything within her power as a man. Try to save his reputation. Yes. Try to save his respect and everything. So that maybe not talk say you where they go say to my side. Your house they born, you know if you do them.
Exactly.
That is why the man don't say okay. Anyhow will be making just command in hand.
Yes.
So what the woman need to do for herself, let her calm down and sit down, talk to herself and go for deliverance. All the time saying the prophetess. I didn't come forget saying that people will be pastor and the prophetess and the king. Now they will be spiritual and they target you most. So once they get you, everything about you physically is in trouble. Your business, your house, and the man who you marry physically as well is in trouble. So make she look for the way and go for deliverance.
All right. Thank you very much, my brother. Edu, good morning. You see, for me, that woman is a problem. For her to say that she's hot-tempered, to wait for her husband with a bottle and knife, you can notice the character a bit. Now I think she talk, and I think this person talk. It get one WhatsApp message where I see now when they say I go like read. Plenty. Who be this one? This one say I will have I will have okay, this one say get the same issue about spiritual husband. I chased my baby daddy away for 2.5 years before realizing it was my spiritual husband that was disturbing me. I had to go for deliverance before I finally realized I was wrong. And now we are back together. We're expecting another child and having a peaceful home. I'm a Yoruba girl. My husband made from Imo State. Oh, see their picture. Very beautiful.
Bernard, good morning.
Good morning.
Bernard.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, yeah, talk to us. They hear you. I know. You not get our time since now.
For me, later calm down. I'm sad, hot. Sometimes he hot to go mellow down. That's with that husband. I don't Bible make it die through away. So I will free the girl. The man said, don't touch her. Everything needs to set. By his grace, they will be back in Jesus' name. I don't have much to say. Bernard, I love you.
Hello, who on the phone line?
Hello, Bernard. Good morning.
Good morning. Who they talk?
This is a mommy praise Vita from Ikorodu.
Talk to us, should they hear you?
And me, I be a woman like her. I listen to her. Wait till she talk.
Yes.
Me too, I get hot temper. I think last year, my husband, they beat me.
Yes.
Because the same talk one I go talk to. And I go report, give the mama. Then go talk. I won't carry my marriage certificate. I won't go give court. No, we will separate. But when children they there, anything where they plan for your house, your children they learn.
Yes.
Sometimes if my husband won't beat me, my pikin will come, mommy, daddy, stop that. I go cry, look. But any family where they sweet, now woman they hold them.
Not be lie.
Now woman they hold them.
Yes.
So those things where she do, she need to calm down. As I'm talking to you today, anything what I tell my husband, now what they do. Sometimes they go say a woman use her medicine, only husband. Like the way you take, they talk to your husband. Now you go make everything. Your husband go love you. Anything you ask, I mean go do for you.
Yes. Yes.
I even call my mother-in-law saying I they spoil my marriage. I call her say anything we want, I go give them to her. But in everything, like I came to come down, go close to my mother-in-law. Anything what she want to do, she must tell me. She say, "Hey, madam, see. I go say, okay, mom, you know we do like this. No, we no do like this."
Yes.
Today now, me and my husband, in fact, our love no be here. Secondly, is this spiritual husband a bad thing? No.
Yes.
Spiritual husband can show you a lot of things to destroy the man that you marry.
Yes.
He can even show you what the man is not doing or what wants to happen to the man for you to chase the man and love the spiritual husband. So she may still say that God they show him those things. Say this thing now waiting the husband they do.
Now make her call herself prophetess.
Hey. So sometimes devil get his own power.
No be lie.
He gets his own power. God no come more power from devil. So devil can use that spiritual husband to show waiting a husband they do or waiting what happen to a husband. Him go they say him be prophetess or whatever. And the another thing what I want to for that area, make she go for deliverance. There is nothing God cannot do according to Isaiah 49. He said that he can do all things. He never said that he can do some things. All things. He said in Romans that even though that our problem is bigger than mountain, that he's going to level it. It's a problem to her. So let her turn back to God, and God will level that spiritual husband because God's power is bigger than spiritual husband. And secondly, if her husband comes back, let she kneel down, beg the husband.
Yes.
Maybe because the man no be that kind wahala. Yes. According to the voice.
Yes. Yes.
That is what I want to talk.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you very much, my sister. Thank you. Thank you.